Hi again. In the last video, I shared the structure of my phonics routine. In this video, I want to talk you through one full lesson, step by step, so you can see what it actually looks like in practice. I'll explain what I say, what the students do, and what I'm looking for as we move through each page. Again, this is a lesson that I would use in a small group, 2 to 3 students, or in a one-to-one setting. The goal is sound awareness and confidence, not independent reading. I'm going to model this as if I'm teaching it live, using the same language I use with students. So on page 1, I introduce the sound. We look at the letter, we say the letter sound together, and we keep it very simple. This page is fully teacher-led. Students are supported the entire time. When teaching, I always have the students talk about how the letter sound feels. For example, with the letter sound K, I say K, and I have them put their hand on their throat, K, K. And then I'll make a comment about, like, is there a vibration or no vibration? Feel it, and just lots of repetition. On the say it with me portion, I match the letter sound with a vowel sound. Ka, ke, ki, ko, ka. That way they're able to see the relationship between the consonant sound and the vowel sound. And then finally, for student engagement and for multisensory approaches, I do these pictures start with the targeted letter sound. When doing the do these pictures start with k portion of the lesson, I'll point to the picture and get right on the student's level and have them repeat back to me. K, kid, does this picture start with a k sound? And depending on the students in your classroom, you're going to get a lot of yeses and nos, and then just more repetition. Let's discuss page 2. Hear and identify. On page 2, the focus shifts to listening. I say a word out loud. The student decides whether it starts with the target sound or not. If a student hesitates, I model the answer and move on. This gives me a quick check-in without putting the student on the spot or slowing the lesson down. Finally, on page 3, we focus on using the sound. I read first, the students repeat. Find the k. We find the letter in words, say the words together, and practice simple sentences. One important reminder, independent reading is not expected. We are modeling the letter sounds, and we are seeing the letter sounds used in sentences. Let's talk about why this structure works. What makes this routine effective is predictability. Students know it's coming. This lowers anxiety and increases participation. The routine stays the same, so the focus stays on sound, not the task. In the next video, I'll discuss how I introduce new letters across weeks and how I decide when a student is ready to move on. Thanks for watching.